Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Palantir, and on the long time frame we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we are now in a very large third wave to the upside. And within that third wave we had completed a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we are now within the third wave of the third wave of the third wave, because with the latest movement from the last few days we actually had to readjust the count, because now this suggests rather that we actually completed the third wave here. We had a very small fourth wave probably here, and now we are looking for the fifth wave to the upside. Now there is a possibility that instead the third wave actually completed maybe here, and then we are only looking to complete a 5-wave move here, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, and then the movement would be complete. But we will actually see about that when we get to those levels. It is pretty equal in terms of probabilities which of these scenarios will play out, and at the moment on the shorter time frame I would say that we are in a pretty strong third wave to the upside still. And so far we had a wave 1 up. It could be that this is the wave 1 top, it could be that this is the wave 1 top. I will choose to follow this 1 2 1 2 interpretation for now, and then we have a third wave that, to be honest, looks quite full. I could see another small top forming, but overall I am looking for a retracement in a wave 4 shortly, and I will provide a small count in this area to follow this, and we will use the minuscule interpretation, or rather degree, yeah, that's the word I was looking for. And I am looking for a retracement in a wave 4 overall in the area, in the support zone, from $178.5 down to around $168.5 at the 50% retracement level. Now, as you can see, we are still a bit away from that. The correction may have started, but to be honest, I could see another 4 or 5 here before we head lower and complete this third wave. And then of course the support zone would need to slightly adjust based on that, but the difference would be pretty insignificant overall, and I will keep you updated on that, no worries. I will provide another update when we get a larger correction on the way. But after the movement, ever since the earnings, I feel like an update was due in this case, especially since it triggered a change in the overall structure of this chart. So for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.